So what's going on today is that it is the 27th. I had a doctor's appointment at 9 a.m. because naturally I made a doctor's appointment at 9 a.m. in Viera, which took me like 45 minutes, well less than that, but you know, around there with everything I needed to do to get there. And I have issues with my leg and I have to get an ultrasound at 1 o'clock. I'm freaking out because I have pretty bad anxiety, which I didn't get to talk to my doctor about, and I wanted to. So we're getting a ultrasound to see if I have a blood clot, and if I have a blood clot, I have to go on blood thinners, and I don't really want to do that at 21 because you basically take blood thinners for life, and I don't want to sign myself up for something like that. If not, I'm going to they're going to refer me to a vascular doctor, which is good, and I'll do that. Currently in the Target parking lot. I just went to Target. You'll see stuff from that later. I got some, you know, I always go after Christmas to get like stock up on stuff that I needed. So I guess the thing that I needed was like bows and wine bags, and I got some other like bags too because there's like really cute bags, and you know, they're 50% off today. Gift sets are 30% off, and it'll only go up more from here. Target had like nothing before Christmas, so at the one that was near me, but the Super Target here in Viera was stockpiled of stuff still, so you know, I'll see, but I probably won't be getting anything else. I mean, the only other thing is if I go to back into New York and they happen to have stuff, I might pick up stuff there, but you know, I don't want to stockpile stuff there. I have no room to store things. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to Ulta and my family's going to meet me. And I don't even think I have my gift card, but I'm just gonna look around. I don't really want to get anything right now anyway, so yeah, it's a fun day. I don't know how much they are. What does it say? Let's see what these are. Christmas present. It's so cute. Pretty this stuff is for spring. except it won't be spring in New York for a very long time. Just walking around because I have an appointment, but it's at 1. I have to go from one appointment to the other. And this is just what's happening now. An exciting aisle of trash cans. So this smells good. Let's see what's discounted over here. I just saw something I want. This is gonna be, this is 50% off. I think it is. It's Rudolph. These are cute. Where did I sell this? It comes with shorts. Or I don't think it does actually. It's just a sleep sweater. It's all unicorn stuff. Figure out. Oh, there's unicorn pajamas. 30% off. I'll wait until this is 50% off. But look at the unicorns. Bags and stuff and lights since mine burned out. Burner. Sleep shirts. I need a sleep shirt desperately, actually. Yikes. Shipping Joe's away. Ribbon over here. So pretty. I want either this or this so bad, but I'm in another state and I can't transport my stuff home. I have a bunch of cute stuff here at Home Goods, actually. I like this Home Goods a lot better than the one that's in New York. It sucks there. Stuff at TJ Maxx. This blush, they have a bunch of these blush kits, and I really like this. They're $10.99. They used to be more expensive. This MAC palette is $20, and it is in perfect condition. And I might get it because I actually really like it. It's $19.99. And then this palette is also $19.99. I originally almost bought this full price, and it's in perfect condition as well. They like Lily lashes, which I didn't know they had here. A lot of Bare Minerals. There's a cat food, which I just don't buy, but ooh, these Gen Nude lipsticks. These are so comfy. I want to try them. $4.99. What? Liquid glow highlighter. What is this? Anastasia liquid lipstick for $7.99. This is steel. I don't know what it is though. Liquid lipstick. Becca Stone. Look how cute you look in your little harness. His little vest. Oh, he's tired.
Oh, he'll liven up when he knows he's going to go somewhere.
Look.
Oh, nice.
Where's he gonna go? He doesn't like going anywhere.
Mickey? Hello.
Jack's part of Antifa.
Ew. George just got on me.
His drool?
Mhm.
Is that what you- yeah, he drools. He's a drooler.
He's like a drawer.
Yeah.
Listen to this.
All right, I'm gonna listen. Okay, hold on.
You had to put the headphones in. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What does it sound like?
Like, ha ha ha, ooh, hey, ha ha. That's what it sounds like. We're using the vocal drums.
Wait. Now you do it.
Okay.
Fine.
All right. So I'll put
now I
this in.
take a picture.
You're gonna well, it's on video, so you can just keep it going. So you want the headphones too?
Yes, no, I want. red button is to stop.
I'm going tech now. Yeah, but we don't need to stop right now. Don't stop me now.
3, 2, 1. Begin! Cool.
You didn't even film me. You're
Oh.
filming the ground.
Jack, you want to see how you can make it even faster?
How?
Let me show you.
He's tiring himself out. Alright.
Alright, now my feet are warmed up. What do you think of that speed, Jack?
Now can I see it?
Mookie, where are you going? Mookie, walk.
Don't open the door before he has his leash on. It's open, Jack.
He
Watch
will
what
run
you're doing.
out. Jack, you're killing me.
Now he's ready?
Yeah.
Mookie? Now you're free.
You're free. Alright, I got Mookie.
Wait, can I hold the leash?
Oh boy.
Hang on a bit.
Let him calm down a little bit.
You want to see what he does if I let him? Mookie, you don't run. You don't run, Mookie.
Mookie! Oh my god!
Hello, it's a couple days later, but I figured I'd just fill you guys in. I do not have a blood clot, but I have fluid in my knee, and my veins are pretty swollen, so I'm just gonna compress it and put ice on it, and I'm be seeing a vein specialist soon, but just want to fill you guys in that I am okay, and